Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to talk about format specifiers in Python. For this, I'm going to create a new file. I will say format specifier.py. So what is format specifier? Actually, we have a bunch of different format specifier like this, and this. So actually, I'm going to show you the example so that you can understand well. So let's say I want to say here number 1 is equal to, let's say, 0.3495, okay, and then number 2, let's say, minus 0.768, let's say, okay, just random number. Number 3 is equal to, let's say, 12.98. And now let's say I want to print them. So print, I want to actually say f string, and here I'm going to say number 1 is, okay, I will say curly braces here, and here I'm going to mention the number 1. That's the number 1. And now let me just copy all of them. Copy, paste. Now here I'm going to say number 2, 3, 2. Here also 2, 3, and here is also 3. All right. If I run the code, you can see it's showing properly, right? So now let's talk about format specifiers. So here, if you want to use format specifier, you have to give a colon after the variable, okay, the value actually you want to print. And then let's say I want to show, here you can see after decimal point we have actually shown here 3 digit. So let's say I want to show here 1 digit, so I can actually mention here, okay, dot 1f. So it will actually show me only 3. If I run it once again, and here you can see only 3, and rest of them are same, right? Let's say if you write something in a doc file, you can actually see that we have 3 different column, right? The left align, right align, or center align, right? So let's say I want to show them in right align, so I can actually give here same gap for all of them. So I can actually say, okay, I want 10 space, and here also I want to say 10 colon 10. And if I run it, now you can see they are in right aligned, okay, by default it's right aligned. And let's say if you want to show them in a left aligned, so what you can do, you can actually say like this, okay, and if I run it now, you can see they are in left aligned. What about center aligned? So you just have to give here this sign. So from your keyboard, actually you have to press shift and 6 for this, okay. And now if I run it, now you can see they are center aligned, right? 10 is for actually it will actually create space. It will actually count all the character, I mean all the value here at first. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then if you think about it, then 7, 8, 9, 10, okay. So it will actually create space otherwise if it is not find any value. And to show you the proof, I will actually add 0 at first. So every single time it will actually when I say 10, okay, so it will actually count all the value, I mean all the digit. And let's say here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digit, and then it will add 3 or 4 0 before it, okay, because by default the alignment is right aligned. So it will actually go to the right at first, and then in the left it will actually add 0 to actually complete the 10 digit, okay. If I run it now, you can see here you can see only 3 digit, right? 3 0 added, and they are in right align. So these are called actually format specifier. Here you can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, okay. So we have 7 digit, and then it actually complete 3 0 to actually complete the 10 digit, okay. Okay, now let's say you want to use comma. Let's say this is not decimal point, so I'm going to remove it. So I actually want to okay, so actually I want to show, let me remove the negative value also. So actually I want to show comma after 1000. Okay, so how you can do this? You can actually use here comma. So it will actually use comma after 1000. If I run the code, and here you can see so okay, you can see 3000, 6000, 9000, right? All right, so these are specifier, format specifier. So I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.